learning about transition from analog to digital terrestrial TV. Analog to digital television broadcasting switchover strategy for the Republic of Croatia has been adopted on 31 July 2008 by the Government of Republic of Croatia. Indeed, it defines the overall concept of transition from analog to digital terrestrial television broadcasting in this country and is available in English language. The strategy described clearly defines the strategic decisions taken for the entire process of transition from analog to digital terrestrial television broadcasting. Indeed, it incorporates every key aspect of it, including basic criteria for the strategy's implementation, institutional and legal framework, technical and technological framework covering frequency planning, coverage, international radio frequency coordination, applicable standards for coding and transmission of digital terrestrial television signals, licensing regimes, types and number of TV services, start of simulcast and completion of the analog switchover process for systems and business models, promotion campaign with cost involved, financing and transition cost issues, and last but not least, implementation management and monitoring system. It is worth mentioning that every objective of the strategy is stipulated and coordinated with precision, assigning to relevant stakeholders responsibility, applicable deadline at every action level without exception. The main strategic goal ahead of this country is to achieve full digital television switchover by 31st of December 2010 at the latest.
Other two complementary documents have been also adopted in this country, namely decision and to start the digital TV broadcast and the end of TV broadcast in the Republic of Croatia. Decision of the manner of the distribution of subsidies and the criteria and condition of the granting such subscribers of the TV subscribe natural persons in order to purchase TV adapter set-top boxes for the reception of the DVB programs as defined in section 601 of the Australian document of the program content and other conditions for the provision of television services are regulated by the Electronic Media Act governing responsibilities, right and eligibility of the agency of the electronic media and the counseling for the electronic media. In principle, the Electronic Media Act governs the commercial broadcasting service in this country. The Croatia Radio Television Act governs the public service broadcasting. The competitions of the Croatia Radio Television is regulated by the Croatia Radio Television Act, which is in particular stipulates that CRT programs can be broadcasting in this country.
The aforementioned primary legislation stipulates the obligatory program content that must be included in broadcaster's program plan, defining program content type and classification into groups, quantitative ratio between individual program content groups, maximum permitted amount of advertising content, anticipated amount of own program content, and Croatian and European audio-visual content share. In accordance with latest information provided during the discussion, 78.9% of the population receives free-to-air analog terrestrial TV broadcasting, and full public service is enjoying the preference of the audience. The HRT programs provided for digital terrestrial broadcasting are an SDA format, same as above technology setup has been tested by the private company Total for both standard definition, high definition DDTV broadcasting. DVB-H technology was tested by the mobile operator Wipnet. The information obtained from unofficial sources during the mission indicate that MPEG to STB retail price is about 22 euro, MPEG for STB is about 70 euro, SDTV receiver around 700 euro, and HDTV quality MPEG 2 by MPEG for receiver retail price is about 1500 euro. These indicative prices are either of average nor of satisfying nature.
Thank you.